Changing a company's name might seem like a simple branding choice, but under Australian law, it's a legally regulated process. In this video, we'll walk you through everything accountants need to know about name changes under the Corporations Act 2001. Section 157 of the Corporations Act 2001 sets out the law. A company can only change its name by passing a special resolution with 75% shareholder approval and lodging the change with ASIC using Form 205. Ensure the name isn't identical to another business, doesn't contain prohibited terms, and complies with ASIC naming rules. Use Form 410 to reserve a name for 2 months. Fee, $62, as of the 1st of July 2025. This buys you time to prepare documentation. You'll need at least 75% of shareholders to approve the change. Document the meeting or circulate a written resolution. Submit Form 205A online or by post within 14 days. Fee, $503, effective July 1st, 2025. Attach the signed resolution. Here's how companies go wrong and how to stay compliant. Name too similar leads to ASIC rejection. Typos in Form 205 mean costly relodgement. Missed 14-day deadlines incur late fees. Here's a quick recap of the timeline. Pass special resolution anytime. Lodge Form 205 within 14 days. ASIC certificate issued in 1 to 5 business days. A new Zhao tech startup submitted Form 205 with a typo. Innovatech instead of Innovatech. They had to redo the resolution, pay another $503, and relodge. Accuracy matters. Always verify name availability before proceeding. Lodge Form 205 within 14 days. Fee is $503. Use Form 492 for typos. At companychanges.com.au, we make ASIC compliances easy. Contact us today.